Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I came across a great song, and this is from Billy Strings. And I have to confess, I'm not sure who this guy is, but he's great and performs great. And you fans out there of Billy Strings probably think, what a retard he is, playing guitar, doesn't know who he is. Yes, sorry, I don't know everything, but I should, perhaps, probably. But yeah, a new guy for me, Milltown Flood. Great song. Let's dive into this together. Before we do that, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. If you want to support me on this channel, if you want to learn cool songs like this, and you're grateful for that, then the best way to thank me is to go and subscribe to that channel and help me out there. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Now, let's go into this one. No need for a capo here. We have like 6 chords or so. So let's start with them. We're gonna start with A. That's exactly how the song starts. It goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Speaking of E, that is the next chord. So that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the B minor 7, it's a bar chord. So you place the index finger as a bar on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings, all except the last E string in the bass here, don't need that. And then you need to add 4th D and 3rd B. We also got the D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord, I realize now it's only 5, so even better. Final chord will be G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Very simple strumming for this, guys. And you're going to play that in the same way through the entire song. If you grab the first chord A, one string around goes like this. So it's basically one down first. Short pause, and then comes down, up, down, up. And I like to separate the first down on the bass strings played with the down, up, a little bit on the mid, high strings down there. Alright, so sounds great, huh? Now let's go into the actual song. The first verse, you're gonna play A 4 string rounds, E 4 string rounds, B minor 7 4, and D 4. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So one round goes like this. 2 rounds of that, guys. Now we are hitting the chorus at 55 seconds in, and it looks like that's where in the lyrics. What you're gonna play now is a total of 4 rounds. So the first 2 rounds are played A1, E1, and D2. Then you're gonna play the 3rd round A1, E1, G1, and D6. And then you're gonna play the 4th round A1, E1, G1, D4, A4. And that's it. So I'm gonna play all this for you guys. I'm gonna speak or just mention the chord I'm playing while I'm playing. So let's go. A1, E, D. Again, A, E, D. A, E, G, D. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A, E, G, D. 2, 3, 4, and A. 2, 3, 4. That's one full chorus. Yes. Now back to the 2nd verse, and that is played exactly the same as the first one. 2 rounds of the same chords. Then you're gonna go into the 2nd chorus again, just repetition, exactly the same way as we just learned. Then you're gonna jump back to the 3rd verse and play that in the same way, but only for 1 round. So A, E, B minor, D, only for that 1 round. After that third verse, then you're gonna jump into the instrumental part. It happens about 3 minutes and 10 seconds in. So what you're gonna play there is that A1, E1, and D2. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, exactly in the same way as the chorus starts. But then you're gonna play A1, E1, G1, D4, and A4. So that will be in the same way as the 4th round in the course, if that makes sense. So 2 rounds plus that 4th and final round from the course, that will be the instrumental part. And after that, guys, you are into the final parts of the song. You're gonna play the 4th verse, and that is played exactly in the same way as it played previously times. You have that 2 rounds of the A, E, B minor, and D, and then you're gonna finish off with the final chorus. And that one is played also in the same way, except from the last chord. When you come to that G1, the D4, and instead of playing A4, you just end with 1 down on that beautiful A. Sounds like this. And that's how Billy Strings ends his song. Milltown Flood. Great one. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. And don't forget, play tuned.